First at 5, we are continuing our breaking news coverage on several fires burning on either side of the Columbia River in the Gorge. They sparked this afternoon and still appear to be spreading.
Let's give you a live look from our sky camera at the Oregon Veterans Home in the Dalles. Wow, just take a look at that huge plume of smoke. This is burning west of the Dalles along that bend in the Columbia toward the Rowena area. It appears to be the larger of the fires.
Okay, so now let's get a look at exactly where these flames are burning. There are two smaller fires along SR 14 east of Carson, Washington. The larger one is on the Oregon side. It's near I-84 between Hood River and the Dalles. Both of those highways, by the way, I-84 and SR 14, closed in the fire zone. To be specific, I-84 is currently shut down between Mosier and the Dalles. SR 14 closed from around Carson to Dog Mountain.
We've heard from public officials and law enforcement. If you do not have to go to the gorge from either end, do not try and head through that area on other side. The big concern right now with these fires, we say it purely from a numbers standpoint, on the Oregon side from Rowena to the Dalles. Here's why. A slew of level 3 go now evacuations in effect. That is in red on this map. It stretches for several miles all the way to the Dalles city limits. The areas in yellow, they are within the city limits. Be set level 2 evacuation orders also within the city limits in the industrial area there on the west side. Level 1, be ready in green. We have watched all of these expand over the past couple of hours as winds continue to gust through the gorge. No word right now on whether we have lost any structures in the area.